We're discussing Ujjwal Nilamani, and everyone should know very clearly, what I was saying before Panditji came in, Pandit Krsna Bhargavaji. Then I was saying that Gaudiya Vaishnavism, all the teachings that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave to Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami and the Sanatana Shiksha and Rupa Shiksha of Chaitanya Charitamrita, they ultimately culminate in the Prayojan, or the Sadhya, which is Madhurya Ras, worshipping Madhurya Purushottam. Our goal is the Prem Seva of Prem Purushottam Madhurya Sri Krishna. Lila Madhurya Sri Krishna, he has a very sweet pastimes. Prema Madhurya, his love is so sweet and so captivating and so enchanting that every devotee that loves Krishna, whether it's his Raktak and Patrak, his house servants, or whether it's his friends like Sridham Subal, Gobata, Mandali, Bhadra, Dao, or whether it's his parents, Rohini, and of course his parents, or Yashoda and Nandababa, or whether it's Rohini and Ambika, Kalimba, and anyone in the Vatsalya Ras, motherly love, or whether it's the gopis, Ashtasakis, and Radharani. All those devotees have their love is expressed in a variety called anurag. Anuragani Radha, Anuragani Sridham, Anuragani Raktak. Anuragani means their rag, their loving attachment and interest and sweet experience they have with Krishna is newer and newer at every moment. Anurag. Anu means step by step, krama by krama, moment by moment. It's so extensive, this anurag, that in Radharani, her loving attachment and sweet intimacy with Krishna is so great that she meets Krishna in the afternoon. Sometimes she comes to Govardhan, to Radhakund. But it was raining like, cats and dogs.